The Audi Q3 is a compact luxury SUV that combines athletic design with practical functionality. Equipped with standard quattro all-wheel drive, it ensures confident handling across various driving conditions. Performance. The 2025 Audi Q3 offers two powertrain options: 40 TFSI, a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine delivering 184 horsepower and 221 pounds-ft of torque; 45 TFSI, a more potent version of the turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing 228 horsepower and 251 pounds-ft of torque. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and responsive acceleration. Interior and features. Inside, the Q3 boasts a high-quality interior with a digital cockpit and a large MMI touch display, reflecting Audi's commitment to luxury and technology. Standard features include 18-inch alloy wheels, sports seats with cloth upholstery, LED headlights and brake lights. The cabin is designed to maximize comfort and storage space, making it suitable for both daily commutes and longer journeys. Dimensions: length 4,482 mm, width 1,849 mm, wheelbase 2,500 mm. These dimensions contribute to a spacious interior, providing ample legroom and cargo capacity. Pricing: the starting price for the 2025 Audi Q3 Premium 40 TFSI Quattro is $38,695. Pricing may vary based on selected options and packages. Overall, the Audi Q3 stands out in the compact luxury SUV segment with its blend of performance, advanced technology, and refined interior.